Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to change the organizer for family sharing on Apple. Now to change the family sharing organizer, you must actually disband the family group and you need to have, the new intended, okay, the organizer to create a new one. So you need to remove everyone else from the family group and basically whoever owns it needs to stop family sharing. And then basically the adult in the household will go to settings. We'll go here to family. Okay. And then tap their name, select stop using family sharing to disband the group. And then once the old group is gone, they'll come back here. Same way, settings, go to family, and they'll basically set up a new family sharing group and invite the other members. Okay. And then they can go ahead and have that other person as the organizer. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.